What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Mikey today coming at you through this fickle thing we call the internet. I am making this video sort of to reach out to the larger indie game development sort of community. Let me move this mic a little closer, sorry. There we go. And I'm making this video to ask, I need to know if anybody's used Pixel Game Maker before, if they're familiar with it, familiar with how easy it is to use and everything. And I'm trying to get suggestions for an engine to move over to. Um, I have tried Game Maker Studio, can't wrap my head around it. I have no idea what I'm doing. The UI is too much like Godot. It's everything's fucking crammed and unorganized, and oh god, I hate it. I hate Game Maker Studio. I hate it. It's nowhere near as organized and easy to understand and comprehend and use like Pixel Game Maker MV is. I tried demo after demo after demo of Action Game Maker, the successor. Same issue. I hate the UI. I hate the flow of everything. It's not fun. It's not easy. It's a pain in the butt. I don't want to use it. So it's I I can't wrap my brain around it. The UIs are terrible. Um, I'm aware of GDevelop. I'm aware of Construct. Um, that's all I really know about, other than other than I don't know, other than the other engines that are out there. I'm reaching out because I want something that's as easy to use as Pixel Game Maker, especially when it comes to just being able to create the objects and everything. Like it's so easy in Pixel Game Maker. Like you create an object, you assign the graphics animations to it or whatever. You create it has a flow chart. I love flow charts. It has a flow chart where you create the action, what you're going to do, and the condition, which are these links that go between the different actions, you know and that's easy to me. So I'm trying to find out if there's anything else out there like that for making platformers, action games. That's what I'm trying to work on. I want to move over to a different engine. I have no interest or plans to buy Action Game Maker. It's just Godot, and I don't like Godot. So I'm never going over to it unless they make drastic changes to the UI or something. I'm not going to Action Game Maker. It's off. It's no. I don't like it. So, if you I'm looking to find out if there's anybody else out there who's used other engines and Pixel Game Maker and you know what I'm talking about. I want something that's that easy to understand, to wrap my brain around, and to make the actions and whatnot, the events, the objects, I should say, the objects. I need something easy like that. I need something where, you know, damn dogs, where setting up an action for an object and whatnot is truly simple. But I'm just wanting to know if you've used other engines out there, do you know any that are as easy? Like coming up with the objects and telling them what to do. Like, is it, the visual programming, I want something that easy, like something that you just kind of turn on the game and be like, well, I'm making a platformer. Okay, well then here's all this preset stuff, this myriad of preset stuff that when you assign it correctly and you tell everything how to work correctly and use these things, oh, you're making a platformer. It's easy to just tell the character, oh, jump, what's the velocity, what's the gravity, what's the just real easy, already in place kind of adjustment kind of thing. you know I need something like that. I'm not a programmer. I've never been a programmer. I can't program to save my life. So I need something that's simplistic. I need something with a good UI. I need a UI that doesn't frustrate me, doesn't make me angry. They're not updating Pixel Game Maker anymore. I need something that works with Linux. Probably fixing to be going to Linux. So I need something. I need to find a replacement. Again, I have used I've tried using Game Maker Studio. It's confusing. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. It is so confusing. I can't find any decent tutorials. Decent. I said decent. I know there's tutorials. They're just not decent. I found a lot of tutorials by people who are from India and their accents are so thick that I can't understand what they're saying. I'm like, why is no, 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 no. I can't do it. I know that sounds racist as hell, but I just struggle with accents. And that's not even the accent that I hear. I know it sounds racist, but I'm just saying. So, I probably shouldn't make jokes like that. Doesn't make me look good. Makes me look like an asshat. So, but yeah, no, I'm just this video is just me reaching out. Can you suggest something? I'm looking at G developing construct. I don't know what else there is. If you've used those, tell me, could you maybe give me some your impressions of them? I'm aware that they have options for making a game without having to go, on your keyboard. Don't know if you can hear that. And just typing out all this code that I don't understand. I don't know this stuff. So that's what this video is about. Just looking for suggestions, looking for your impressions, your feedback. What have you used? What's easy to use? Do you know of anything I should try? I gotta move to something else. I love Pixel Game Maker MV. Don't get me wrong. I adore it, and I would keep using it until probably till the end of time. But it, if I go to Linux, I'm not gonna be able to use it. If I stay on Windows 10, eventually I won't be able to use it because eventually I won't be able to use Steam, which is so stupid. So give me your feedback. If you're aware of engines, you can tell me one that's easy, a decent UI, not confusing, not crazy. Let me know in the comments section and I'll make another video. All right. Later.